10 Gym Hacks for Beginners to Double Muscle Gain. Embarking on a fitness journey can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially for beginners eager to see significant muscle gains. While consistency and hard work are key, there are several strategic gym hacks that can help accelerate muscle growth. In this guide, we'll explore tips tailored for beginners aiming to double their muscle gains. 1. Set clear goals. Before hitting the gym, define your fitness goals. Whether it's building overall muscle mass, sculpting specific areas, or enhancing strength, having clear objectives will guide your workout routine and keep you motivated. 2. Structured workout plan. Develop a well-structured workout plan that includes a mix of strength training and cardiovascular exercises. Consult with a fitness professional to create a customized routine that aligns with your goals and suits your fitness level. 3. Compound exercises. Focus on compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups are excellent choices. These exercises stimulate more muscle fibers, promoting efficient muscle growth. 4. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts over time. This could involve lifting heavier weights, increasing the number of repetitions, or shortening rest intervals between sets. Progressive overload is a fundamental principle for muscle growth. 5. Nutrition is key. Pay close attention to your diet. Ensure you're consuming enough protein, as it plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. Additionally, maintain a well-balanced diet that includes carbohydrates and healthy fats to fuel your workouts and support overall health. 6. Pre-workout nutrition. Consume a balanced meal or snack containing both carbohydrates and protein about 1 to 2 hours before your workout. This provides your body with the energy it needs to perform at its best during the session. 7. Post-workout nutrition. After your workout, prioritize post-exercise nutrition. Consuming a protein-rich snack or shake within 30 minutes of finishing your session helps kickstart muscle recovery and repair. 8. Adequate rest and recovery. Muscles grow during periods of rest, not just during workouts. Ensure you're getting enough sleep to support recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and consider incorporating rest days into your weekly routine. 9. Hydration matters. Stay hydrated throughout your workouts. Dehydration can hinder performance and recovery. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, and consider consuming electrolyte-rich beverages for intense workouts. 10. Mind-muscle connection. Focus on the mind-muscle connection during exercises. Concentrate on the specific muscle being worked, ensuring proper form and maximal engagement. This can lead to more effective muscle activation and growth. By integrating these gym hacks into your fitness journey, beginners can optimize their muscle gain efforts. Remember, consistency is key, and it's essential to listen to your body. With dedication, a well-structured plan, and attention to nutrition and recovery, you'll be on your way to doubling your muscle gains and achieving your fitness goals. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health updates.